What's up, dude?
I think, you know, I got a question for you.
What's up, dude?
What happened?
Yeah. My fork seals exploded. A case and things. It was my front fork seals, but I took the rear shock off and I'm having that resealed, and I think I'm gonna get it revalved. But so yeah. So drop that off, so I should have my exhaust for next weekend.
Suspension.
Yeah, sorry. We just put an exhaust on Dan's new bike, which is right over here. He likes his orange fucking Austrian piece of shit.
Are those the Louis shades?
They are, bro.
Those things are so weird. You're like full YouTuber now with Louis shades.
I've had these for a while. I bought them to piss off my girlfriend, though.
And it worked.
Oh, it worked like a charm. Look at that pile of dog shit.
Nice.
Yeah, we bought it. Well, we fired it up to listen to the sound before and after that. We'd like, the bike, does it have an hour meter on this thing? I feel like all the new 450s do. Well, at any rate, it has like 0.001 hours on it. Besides, it literally roasts the rear tire off. Like fucking third gear rolling in the parking lot, it just fucking spins.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's pretty nuts. But we'll get back to truck things here.
Yeah, what are we doing today?
It's gonna
What do you got in store?
Quickie. A quickie. All right, well, I'm gonna go. Let's schlube this up, but I can't show them what it is. Even though they already watched the title. I'm gonna put a little schlube on it. Do I have any dielectric grease? The fuck I don't. All right. Rag. Perfect, dude. Things are just falling in place.
The rag.
So, as you guys know, we did. Was it the last video we did the weight reduction thing? Or not weight reduction, but like servicing the e-jar cooler?
Yes.
Okay. So, if you were to say service your e-jar cooler.
No, the last one was the upper rad hose kit. The one before that.
Yeah. Jesus, I'm all over the map. So
we filmed the upper rad hose kit a long time ago.
yeah.
So understandable.
So, if you do the, if you guys end up doing, you know, servicing your e-jar cooler, and while the e-jar cooler's off, we thought we'd make a thing so that like the pins in your connector for your PCM, like, because sometimes the pins on the frame that plug into the DPF can get corroded, right? And sometimes your truck can sit out in a parking lot a long time and whatnot. So we wanted to be able to remove that so that when you go to put your DPF on, you can put it back on. But you don't want it to sit out in the weather and corroding, of course. I'll pop this. I want me to get it. Okay, yeah, you got it. So to remove this, right, here's your connector. And like, you can pull the whole thing off the truck. I'm not going to do that today because we've just been all over the place. So you unplug that, right? Get that the hell out of the way. Then we got this little guy right here. And she slips right in there. Over this, use a little dielectric grease, pop it in. You can smash it in there too, and put on all the connectors so nothing gets corroded. But this does fit pretty snug. That, you know, I don't even know where I was going with that because I have ADD. So, but yeah, so this protects the pins in the connector from corroding when you have the whole wiring harness for the DPF off. So that's what this is for. And we are gonna do a little installation here. Oh,
Probably one of the most simple things that you can do to your truck.
You don't even need a tool. Here, should I hook it back up and show them how to?
Yeah, do it one full take.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's see if you can do something without messing it up.
That's asking a lot. So this one was already off. So for you guys that don't know, if you guys ever run into this problem and you have like, you know, a high mileage truck or live in a dirty area, sometimes like these clips can build up with dirt. So what you're going to do is, as you pull this thing back, because these things can break off, so as it'll unclip, you know, rock it back and forth, give it a little jiggle as you slowly press on this and like kind of pull until it comes off. This one obviously it's fairly low, so yeah. So I'll schmooze some dielectric grease on there.
Also, you can check out the video on SPE's.
Is the rag under your ass?
I think I'm sitting on it. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
You can also check out the video on SPE's YouTube page.
Did you guys film this already?
Yeah.
But so,
For a little bit more explanation from Dan about this product.
yeah, so SP obviously facing up. Slip it in there. There you go. That's literally it. Now then you can take all the rest off. You know, we haven't, because we're you know, DPF does have to go on, but back on here shortly, you know. But yeah, so we're not going to take that off today, but we just wanted to come make a quick video showing this. I mean, it's a simple product that all right, so yeah, so I mean, super simple install. I mean, literally the easiest thing to install in your truck, and besides pulling the harness off, that might, it's just popping like Christmas trees, so you might want to go to Harbor Freight or something, pick up one of those. Other than that, yeah, you know, hit the link down in the description. That'll take you to the SP website where you can buy all your products. If you use the link in the description, it does help out the channel immensely. That allows us to put products on. We're slowly but surely running out of little things, but we have some more ideas coming, so that'll be cool. But yeah, comment, like, subscribe. We've interacted with a lot of people. It's cool. Also, I'll throw this idea out there. If anybody plays fucking Xbox and plays Warzone, and you want to get in a game with us, follow me on Instagram. And I only have like one fucking picture because I don't keep up with it, and that's back from like last year. But yeah, so follow me on there, and then just hit me up with a message of your gamer tag, and maybe we'll link up on some Warzone. But other than that,
I do have one thing too.
Oh, you got something.
Someone commented.
Oh no.
And they said they had some trouble installing the exo filter from the disaster prevention kit.
Okay.
Lining the bolt hole up and getting the line on. So maybe we could do a video for the people that don't have the full disaster prevention kit. Do a video on installing just the exo filter, and as well how to check the filter as a maintenance thing to keep an eye on your pump to see if there's anything going.
All right, well, we can do that. That's a simple video. Yeah, I know what probably most people are probably attempting to do with it, and I'll show you a little quick, easier way to get that off. Lining up that bolt hole in the back. I'll just do it all in that video. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, so guys, we're almost at 3K subscribers, so please subscribe if you could. It'd be awesome. We'd appreciate it from the bottom of our, well, Josh's heart, I don't have one. But yeah, thank you guys, and we'll talk to you later.